Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is expected to launch on the 26th of September. However, before we get there, here is the complete unboxing video of the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. So without further ado, thanks to the S24 Fan Edition official unboxing leak video. Inside the box, there will be the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition placed on top. Besides, there will also be a guide, a SIM tool and a Type-C charging cable. You aren't getting any charger, but I'm sure you are not expecting one anyway. Back to the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, it will come in 5 different colors: blue, graphite, grey, mint and yellow. And 2 of them, the elegant looking blue and grey, also shown in another recent unboxing video. Now, looking at the handset, as revealed by earlier leaks, the S24 Fan Edition will sport Samsung's signature design, the 3 individual camera cutouts on the back of the handset. The handset has a flat aluminium frame, while on the front we can see punch hole style display with thicker unsymmetrical bezels, though seems slightly slimmer than the S23 Fan Edition. For bigger screen fans, there is a good news: the S24 Fan Edition has around 6.7 inches display, noticeably bigger than the 6.4 inches on the S23 Fan Edition. There is a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on the front and the back, and the brightness is also improved from 1450 to 1900 nits. So not that crazy high like some premium mid-range phones such as the OnePlus 12R with 4500 nits peak brightness. But I would say a good upgrade for the S24 Fan Edition. Now on the camera side, though there will be the same setup as the S23 Fan Edition, a 50 megapixel primary, 12 megapixel ultra-wide and 8 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. However, Samsung claims it's the powerful camera ever for a Fan Edition series with low light stunning portraits. So we expect software-wise they have done some tweaks to improve the results. Under the hood, there will be the Exynos 2400E chipset, which will be an underclocked variant of the chipset used in the Galaxy S24 series. Unlike the previous rumors, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition will get a bump in battery capacity from 4500 to a decent size of 4700 mAh of battery. And of course, like its predecessor, the S24 Fan Edition has a IP68 water and dust resistance. So here we go, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is here. The pricing is so far under wraps because the handset is yet to be officially unveiled, but earlier some rumors claimed for the 128GB variant we could see around $650 price tag. Anyway, let me know what you think about the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.